Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Amazon Prime Video. To know how to fix or how to solve your Amazon Prime Video, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will enter to the window of Prime Video app. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Amazon Prime Video. You can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.